What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some abs together. These are beginner to intermediate ab workouts and we're going to be doing them together, so go ahead and follow along. Everything's in real time, so it's easy to keep up because I'm not moving that fast, trust me. For the first workout, we're going to be doing the Brazilian crunch and we're going to be doing 3 sets of 10. For this workout, what you want to do is you're going to come up into a plank, you're going to jump out, and you're gonna kick in. And we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10, so go ahead and follow along. 10-second breaks between each workout. For this next workout, we're going to be doing the V-sit bicycle, and what you want to do is you want to bring your arms up, and we're going to bicycle our lower half. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Each leg is 1. So go ahead and follow along. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Good job. 10-second break. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10, so go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. Good job, guys. Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we have one more set of this exercise. Good job, guys. Take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna do one more workout. For this last exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do leg raises. So you're gonna bend your elbows and sit up like this, and then you're gonna just bring your legs up. And we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10, so go ahead and follow along. Take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into set 2. Whew, that is a good one. Damn, that's a good one. Those are all good ones. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these ab workouts. They are beginner/intermediate, so if they're too hard for you, just do less reps. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.